Welcome to our YouTube channel Vidyar Kalai Vinmin. In this video, we are going to see the subtraction of integers using concrete method. Using green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Please subscribe the channel if you like this video. Subtraction of integers. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students should be able to understand the concrete method of subtraction of integers, perform the subtraction of integers. This is the picture that shows negative integers, 0 and positive integers. As we know, these are all familiar to us. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are the positive integers. -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on are the negative integers. 0 is in the middle. These are all very familiar to us. No need to go in depth. Now we are going to use the concrete method of subtraction of integers. For that, we are going to use green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Green bell pepper, that indicates positive number. Red bell pepper, that indicates the negative integers. And one green bell pepper is added with one bell pepper, that gives 0. Now let's see how to perform the subtraction of integers. Before that, the minuend may be positive or negative. Similarly, the subtrahend. For example, minuend is positive, subtrahend is positive. And minuend is positive, subtrahend negative. Subtrahend is negative, minuend is negative, and the subtrahend is positive. Both minuend and subtrahands are positive numbers. So we are going to see all these 4 cases. First case, minuend and the subtrahand both are positive numbers or positive integers. So we used green bell pepper because both the minuend and the subtrahands are positive numbers. So green bell pepper, that indicates positive numbers. So in this problem, +5 minus of +2, what will be the result? Using the concrete method, so we have 5 green bell pepper. After removing or subtracting 2 green bell pepper from the above, we get 3 green bell pepper. So the answer for the question is +3. +5 minus of +2, that is equal to +3. This is the answer. Moving on to the next case, case 2. Minuend is positive and the subtrahand is negative. How to remove 2 red bell pepper from 4 green bell pepper? Add 2 green bell pepper and 2 red bell pepper in order to remove 2 red bell pepper. Please remember, adding 2 green bell pepper and 2 red bell pepper will not affect the value. That means 2 green bell pepper, 2 red bell peppers are added with the existing 4 green bell pepper. 4 green bell pepper, that indicates plus 4. Now how to remove 2 red bell pepper from the 4 green bell pepper? We are adding 2 green bell pepper and 2 red bell pepper. By adding these 2 green and red bell peppers with the existing one will not affect the value. That means 2 green bell pepper plus 2 red bell pepper, that gives 0. 2 green plus 2 red, that gives 0. That is the meaning. Now after adding 2 green and 2 red bell peppers, now it is possible to remove 2 red bell pepper from the picture. So what is the resultant? The resultant is, after removing 2 red bell pepper, we are having 6 green bell pepper. So the answer 6 green bell pepper means this indicates plus 6. So the answer is plus 6. That means plus 4 minus of minus 2, that gives plus 6. That is the answer. And the next case, the minuend is negative and the subtrahend is positive. How to remove 2 green bell pepper from 3 red bell pepper? Add 2 red bell pepper and 2 green bell pepper in order to remove 2 green bell pepper. Again, remember, 2 red bell pepper plus 2 green bell pepper, that is equal to 0. Now remove 2 green bell pepper from the above and the remaining is 5 red bell pepper. We have removed 2 green bell pepper and the remaining is 5 red bell pepper, and the answer is minus 5. So it's simple. It's very simple. Minus 3 minus of plus 2, that gives minus 5. Minus 5 means 5 red bell pepper. And the last case, both minuend and subtrahend are negative numbers. How to remove 4 red bell pepper from 3? Add 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper. So this one we have added with the existing 3 red bell pepper. Now it is possible to remove 4 red bell pepper. it is possible to remove. So what is remaining? Only one green bell pepper. Now remove 4 red bell pepper from the above, we get one green bell pepper. So our answer is positive 1. One green bell pepper means positive 1. Minus 3 minus of minus 4, that gives plus 1. Plus 1 indicates one green bell pepper. So in this video we have seen the subtraction of integers in 4 different cases. Both minuend and subtrahend are positive. Both minuend and subtrahend are negative integers. Minuend is positive integer and the subtrahend is negative integers. And the fourth case is minuend is negative integer and the subtrahend is positive. So all the 4 cases we have seen using the concrete method. That means we have used green bell pepper and red bell pepper. I hope this video will be useful to you. Please comment and share the video. Subscribe the channel if you like this video. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you one and all.